Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a popcorn on Dress Room Press. So for the hair, I'm going to choose this one in yellow. And then I'm also going to choose this one in yellow. Let me see. Sorry, this one in yellow. And like a lighter yellow, I guess. Let's like do this actually. And let's save that. Then we're going to also use the buns, which I'm trying to find. Let's do this one first in yellow. Here we go. In those colors, like that. Once you have your hair, you're just going to go to the cupcake. I'm like, what is this called? Sorry. I'm just going to color the first one red, like this red, and then the second one yellow, and then the rest is like brighter yellow, like so. And then we're going to use these for like the popcorn bucket, I don't know, effect. Paper, sorry. And then we're going to get the apple and we're going to select the mischievous and we're going to color that yellow as well. Oops, my voice just like broke a little bit, sorry. Then for the bows, we're going to use this one and we're going to color it like this brown color. And then we are going to use this jacket from the Brat collection. And I'm just going to color it a lighter yellow than that. We also will need these sleeves right here in yellow, like in that darker yellow. And then for the shoes, I am just going to wear this one in all red, like so. And that is how you can dress up as a popcorn. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!